I may track down, but I'm on the wrong shoes of all the days. I brought the wrong shoes because I wasn't expecting to come down. Oh my god, there are thorns in these plants. Ouch! Youch! Okay, this is not normal plants. These are thorny plants. And if I fall down, you probably see me falling down as I'm recording this. Ouch! 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 Okay, there are many thorny plants here. Yeah, that's part of being in nature, right? Youch! Yeah, there's a dragonfly here. Man, there's a dragonfly here. Okay, let's try to get that. Hopefully he stops. Yeah, it's either I fall down or he stops. Hi, morning everyone, Richard here. I'm back at the park. This time, I'm not coming with the tele zoom lens. I'm coming with the macro lens because there's a lot of bugs here. So I have it set up this way. So I have the camera on my right and with the LED lamp on my left, so that I can lighten up the bugs, as well as that's why my flippy screen is here. And this area, I'm going to mount the Osmo Action, so I can get the video clip of vlogging me as well as shooting the subject. So this is a simple setup. I can mount this to a mini tripod if I want to. If not, I'll just carry it myself and I'll just strap it here. So this is my setup, and you'll see some photos of some bugs. So I'm just going to clip it on the bracket, and that will just mount the camera right next to the lights, and I'm carrying both together this way, so and I can walk with it. So I can walk, shoot together with the macro lens. So yesterday I was here and there was a caterpillar. Technically there's a few here, you can see that, and there's one here as well. There's a caterpillar, and let's on the lights and you can see whether it assists or not. So that's the lights on the caterpillar, you can see that. And there's one more here. Wow, there's two here, look at that. So let's grab some shots on macro from the caterpillar here. Maybe I'll just grab this one. So what happened is the angle of my clamp, I can turn it so you can see it 90 degrees to the lens, and as well as the lighting, I can turn it to get it closer. Birds are singing, so I need to get hold of the bug. There's one here. So the advantage of having a flippy screen is you can just angle it up and see where you want it. Okay, that was that, and there's a bug on my hand. So when you're out here, you get lots of bugs. I'll see what else interesting we can find here. So there's one here. Let's have a look at it and how we're going to get this one. So I'm not on a tripod, so it's not so easy to handhold the whole setup. Oh, okay, that's a very nice one here. Look at that. It's different angle. Maybe I can get a nice shot out here. Okay. Hopefully the light gets it. Yeah, it's at a U-shaped angle. Seems to be hanging out like a Batman, like a bat. Okay, so that was interesting. We had one at a nice U angle, and there is a fly here. Hopefully I can get close to it. Look at the fly. Okay, flew off. So, but I did get a shot of it. Let's look at that. Yep. Got a shot of the front face. This time, they were asking me why I shot the back, but this is the front now. So I got the two eyes. The rest is blur because technically you need a brighter light. My light isn't bright enough for outdoors. It's a studio light. But I was expecting to come here in the morning when it was pitch dark. Okay, there's one here. Hopefully I don't get shaky hands. Okay, there's one more here, but it's straight up. So we'll try at 5.6. It's really hard to hold the camera still while trying to make video, and I got some of it. Okay, let's see what bugs we have here. Okay, that's a bug here that that's hidden upside down, and let's see how you go in if you can get hold of it. Whether I can get hold of a shot of it. Let's see which angle should I go in. Yeah, there it is with his legs and his head. Question is, I'm not getting a good angle. Hopefully it doesn't get started and move on. Yeah, got the smiley face. Question is the other way. If I can get hold of the full body, maybe I'll just get the side shot then. Okay, couldn't get the whole body because it's behind there, and that's interesting. Let's have a look at that. How it looks like. Okay, that's how it looks like. And you should get the eye and the claws. Okay, that's a tiny little snail here. Hopefully I can get hold of it. Yep. So it's really tiny. Oh, maybe I'll just get it from here. Okay, yep. Really tiny snail. So got hold of it. Let's have a look. Okay, there it is. Little tiny snail. Right? Okay, let's move on and see what else interesting we have. Right, there's another snail here, but it's going backwards towards the other side of the leaf. I was too slow. The snail was faster than me, else I would have grabbed it here when it's on top of the leaf. Trying to shoot the backside is kind of hard. So the snail was faster than me. Can you imagine that? I'm such a slow poke. So I've been known for being slow and lazy. And it's raining. It's not a great day. It's gloomy, no sunlight, and it's raining. And I'm out here with the Olympus camera, so I don't give a damn. So it's raining, but I'm using the Olympus. Let's see what's interesting we can find. So there's a fly here. Let's hope I can get hold of it. Bring it to the front a bit. Okay, got a side view of it. So good, not bad. Yep, it's nice. So what happens? I hope it stays there. I want to try out something new. What I want to do is I've already modified my MC-14 to fit. Here is, that's the MC-14 1.4 times, and that's a 16mm extension tube. So this will go in and give me magnification and even closer focusing. So let's try this out and see how it turns out. So this is how it is, the MC-14 with the 16mm tele extension tube, and I'm going to put it in here. And it's raining, my god. So that's how it looks like. So I have 1.4 times and 16mm and the 60mm. So I hope the fly is still there, which I think may not be. Such an overcast day. Ha! He's still there. Okay, he's ready to strike a pose. So I'm going to get this before the rain starts coming down like mad. And let's see how well it zooms. Nope. So I decided to fly off. I hope I got some. It's landed somewhere else. Let's see what I have. I have some shots, but not so sharp because I'm not in focus. Hand shaking. Interesting. This one should be one of it. Nope. Is that the one? Yeah, no, I didn't get a good shot of that. Oh, it's back. Okay, hopefully I can get hold of it. Maybe from the top. Coming from the back again. I'm balancing on 1 foot, you know. It's kind of hard. Okay, since I'm here, I've got this guy is not moving, and I can hold the light above it. So let's go as close as we can with this Batman hanging caterpillar. So since I'm already having lighting, maybe I can do a lower f-stop, f5.0, and see what do I get out of this. Yeah. Oh, it's shaking. So I didn't get anything sharp out there except this one. Right, there you have it. Having fun with the MC-14 with the 16mm extension tube. Trying to get some pictures without sunlight. It's kind of hard to hold and focus. I can't imagine those people with the full frame. But even on this tiny super light EM5 Mark III, this whole thing is super light. I'm already wobbling, especially if you're so close and you can see the wobbling. And trying to get a better f-stop from this is even worse. So there you have it. That's a quick one and just having fun here outdoor at the park as usual. And do give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of crazy experiment. And if you do like my video, do subscribe and follow me on my next one. I'm doing a lot of unboxing, product reviews, and trying out funny stuff. I mean, it's just for fun. So I'll see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.